Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 5 online tutorial. Our subject for today is our world and our people. Our world and our people. Taken from strand 1. Strand 1. All about us. All about us. Substrand 1. Nature of God. Nature of God. Indicator 1. The nature of God as the creator of the universe. The nature of God as the creator of the universe. God created everything out of nothing. He says be, and the thing just come to life. For instance, he said, let there be light, and there was light. So God created all things out of nothing. These qualities of God are what we refer to as attributes. These qualities of God are what we refer to as attributes. Let's look at attributes of God. The attributes of God refers to the qualities that he has. The attributes of God refers to the qualities that he has. God has a lot of qualities, but we are going to look at few of them. That is the nature of God as the creator of life. Includes, these are some of his qualities. All-knowing. God knows everything. He knows what happened yesterday, what will happen today, and in the future. God knows everything that is going on this earth. So he is called all-knowing. That is one of his qualities. 2, the most powerful. The most powerful. No one has powers like God. God's powers exceeds all. No one is equal to him. On this earth, no one has powers like him. God is the supreme being, all powerful. Thirdly, the creator of all things. God is the creator of all things. God created plants, animals, and human beings, and all the things on this universe. God created human beings in a unique way. Let's look at some of the characteristics that make human beings unique. Some characteristics of humans that make them unique. Some characteristics of humans that make them unique. 1, having a unique personality. Having a unique personality. That is, 2 eyes, 1 head, 2 legs, etc. You can imagine yourself with 3 eyes, 4 hands, and 3 legs. How would you look like? God made us like this because we are special and unique. It makes us beautiful and handsome. So we have a unique personality. 2, ability to be creative and think rationally. Ability to be creative and think rationally. Human beings have the ability to be creative and rational. Human beings are rational. Goats and other forms of animals cross their female mothers to give birth to other offspring. Human beings are not like that. Why? Because we are rational. We are able to think and come into conclusion to solutions of certain issues. We are creative too. Human beings are able to create things that will suit his environment. Example, building of houses, making of cars and motorbikes to carry us to every place we want to go. 3, ability to communicate. Ability to communicate. Human beings' ability to communicate make them unique because our form of communication is not like other creatures or things that God created. We are able to talk, To communicate, we are able to write, do actions. Animals and plants do not communicate in that way. So our form of communication is unique. 4. Ability to make choices between right and wrong. Ability to make choices between right and wrong. Human beings, when doing wrong, knows that what they are doing is wrong. Human beings, when doing right, knows that what they are doing is right. When you are slapping your friend, you know that is wrong because you are unique. Animals, when attacking other forms of animals, do not know it is wrong because they are not unique and rational as human beings are. 5. Ability to learn. Humans have the ability to learn and produce what they learned. We are able to learn books, keep them in our brains, and produce them whenever we are being asked. Other forms of creation, like the plants and animals, are not able to do that. They can't learn and produce what they learned like human beings. Now, let's continue to look at some of the reasons why God created human beings and made them unique. Reasons why God created human beings and made them unique. 1. To worship God. God made us unique to worship Him. Example, we are able to talk, so we lift God high, praise Him with our voices. We raise our hands to magnify Him. We say word of prayers through our communication to also praise Him. So God created us to worship Him. 2. To take control of the earth. To take control of the earth. If you look at the universe, God created a lot of things, but human beings are unique. Humans are unique. We are able to control other forms of creatures, like animals, even the wild beasts like the lion. Humans are able to capture them and put them at the zoo. So humans take control of the universe. 3. To continue creation. To continue creation. God created human beings unique to continue creation. After God created Adam and Eve, He didn't create any form of human being again. The rest were left for us to give birth and multiply. Human beings give birth to fill the earth. So it makes it unique. Lastly, human beings will stand answerable to their actions. Human beings will stand answerable to their actions. This tells us that God made us unique because there will be one day that we will all account for what we do. You are all going to stand in front of God and account. You will stand answerable to every question that God asks. Children, below this tutorial, this video and questions will be uploaded. Download them and solve them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell to get notification each time new video is uploaded. Our next video will be in 4 days' time. Until then, bye-bye.